What's the meaning of becalmed? Becalmed. Becalmed.
Becalmed. Becalmed. The word becalmed is an adjective used to describe a situation in which a sailing ship or boat is unable to move due to lack of wind. In other words, the vessel is motionless and stuck in one place. This term refers to a condition where the sails hang limply, and the ship becomes stagnant, which can be frustrating for sailors who are unable to make any progress towards their destination. Becalmed conditions can persist for days or even weeks, and they can be a major problem for ships that rely on wind power to move across the water. Overall, becalmed describes a state of stillness, stagnation, and frustration.